How to change your age on Hinge. To do so, open your Hinge application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main home page, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right and then tap on Edit Profile. Once you get to this page, scroll down and under My Vitals, tap on the age option. Select your date of birth from the toggle menu and enter your correct age, and then you can go back by tapping on the back arrow at the top left. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your age on Hinge. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.